Hi everyone, I'm Laura Dale, here with another episode of Beauty Insider. This time, I want to tell you about an exciting new collection of MONAT products that are especially formulated for overprocessed and overstressed hair. It's MONAT's new Restructuring Hair Care collection, scientifically developed to reverse the damage done by chemicals and styling techniques by correcting the entire hair fiber from the inside out. In addition to botanical extracts, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and anti-aging ceramides, this product contains 2 new powerful proprietary ingredients exclusive to MONAT: Fiber Rescue and Rejuvenique S. These ingredients work together to perfect the cortex of the hair, actually rebuilding and restructuring its architecture to restore strength and elasticity, while adding and locking in vital hydration. The Restructuring Hair Care collection consists of the Restructuring PreWash Conditioner, Restructuring Shampoo, the Hair Transformation Mask, and the Inner Force Restructuring Serum. Here are 4 steps to using these great new products. Step 1, the Restructuring PreWash Conditioner. Now, the collection uses what we call a reverse care method. First you condition, and then you shampoo. Apply the Restructuring PreWash Conditioner to your wet hair. Apply it from mid-lengths to ends, working it all the way up to cover every strand. Leave it on from 2 to 3 minutes, then thoroughly rinse your hair. Step 2, the Restructuring Shampoo. Now, this mild and creamy shampoo rebuilds, rehydrates, and fortifies tresses of all textures. Emulsify and apply the shampoo to your wet hair and massage it in thoroughly into your tresses, being sure to completely cover every strand. Leave it on from 1 to 2 minutes and rinse and repeat. Step 3, the Hair Transformation Mask. The mask penetrates the hair cuticle, the outermost part of the hair shaft, to fix breakage and strengthen, soften, and transform damaged, overprocessed hair. After conditioning and shampooing, towel dry your hair and apply the mask. Massage it thoroughly into your hair lengths and ends. Leave it on for 5 minutes, then emulsify and thoroughly rinse your hair. Step 4, the Inner Force Restructuring Serum. Now, this remarkable product is formulated to reconstruct hair at its very core. It's like turning back the clock to before your hair was damaged by styling, coloring, harsh chemicals, and overprocessing. Apply the serum to your hair after it's been towel dried. Leave it in, don't rinse it out, and then style as usual. For best results, use the Inner Force Restructuring Serum every day. MONAT believes beautiful hair is strong hair and healthy hair. The new Restructuring Hair Care collection will turn brittle, damaged hair into strong, healthy hair that's full of elasticity and life, with a luster you'll love to see and a softness you'll love to touch. I'll see you next time on Beauty Insider.